Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany. I'm an English teacher from Hong Kong, and this is my second YouTube channel. If you'd like to check out my main channel, I will put the link down in the description box below. And so today I'd like to talk to you about a jacket. You may find it weird why I'd like to talk to you about this jacket, but I'd like to talk to you about it because it happened that a few months ago or a few weeks ago, I don't exactly remember when, one of my past or former students told me he noticed that I was wearing a Moncler down jacket, and it was a long kind of jacket, and you can see that I wore that Moncler coat a lot. And on my Instagram account, on my Facebook video, I have had that coat for a while, I think a few years. It was quite an expensive buy. I think it cost more than $5,000 back then when I bought the coat. And my students told me that the process whereby Moncler made their fashion was really unethical, in the sense that a lot of animals were hurt in the process. And I'm not exactly sure, but I guess birds' feathers were plucked out or something, and it's like just like the brand Canada Goose. And I'm not sure if you guys know of the brand Canada Goose, but I know that the process whereby their coats and their down jackets are made definitely involved some sort of animal cruelty. The birds that they reared was in confinement, they couldn't walk around, and they get their feathers plucked out. And I also heard that there was a kind of animals called coyote that they used for their fur. And essentially wearing a Canada Goose jacket is no different from wearing a real fur jacket. And I don't approve of wearing fur because I think it's really a cruel way to use fashion, and it's really not ethical to subject animals to these sorts of sufferings. So I bought this cruelty-free jacket, which is from Canada. This jacket is made in Canada, and this is from a brand called Wuxley Movement. And from what I know, this brand really places the emphasis on not harming any animals in the process of production. I bought this jacket from one of the stores near Chinatown in New York, and it was a store that again places a lot of emphasis of not harming animals in the process of the products which they sold. So it was a store that highlights ethical spending, so I had peace of mind when I shopped there. I didn't have to bear the guilt of subjecting animals to harm. Even though I'm not a vegan or vegetarian by any means yet, I'd really like to start from my consumption choices, my daily consumption choices, so that fewer animals can be harmed. This brand claims that their jackets can be worn and can keep you warm even at sub-zero temperatures, even down to minus 20 degrees, I think. And it looks like it's really warm, it feels really warm on me, and it doesn't hurt that black looks really flattering on me because it makes me look a little slimmer, and it doesn't look like it's a down jacket at all. And I asked the staff I asked her, do you think this is a good replacement for a down jacket? And she said, yes, I know it's March now, and you guys may not be looking actively for a down jacket at all, but I really feel that this looks really stylish on me. I can't wait to do even more photo shoots in this jacket because I love winter, and it's a really good thing that this jacket is cruelty free. I think I spent around 5,000 Hong Kong dollars on this coat. It's definitely not cheap, and I hope my dad is not watching this video because he's gonna kill me, but I still think it's worth it because for a coat like this, it can go a long while and you don't have to change to any other coat, and it doesn't really feel hot even when the temperature is at 10 or 8. It doesn't really feel hot that way. So it's like a saying in Chinese called 冬暖夏涼. It doesn't feel hot, it doesn't feel too warm, it doesn't feel stuffy, but at the same time it keeps you warm during the freezing winter. That's what I like about this coat. Even though this coat is definitely not cheap and I spent around $5,000 on it, I still think it's worth it because it will keep me warm for a really long time. So much for this episode. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you really like this type of videos, and I will try my best to film more of this in the future. See ya!